Okay, this is my improvement for the week. We've been working on getting our data together for the monitoring. And one of the things we did is we came up with a sales unit number figure that sort of gives us the information about the unit and all the attributes that affect the labor, both for the shop and the field. But the number got kind of complex, and I was doing this job with Vince, this 10596 job, and there's a lot of stuff to enter. And I was trying to get, the fab assembly, packaging, and installation hours down, but it's getting pretty complex to put these numbers in. So I started a spreadsheet, doing some calculations in Excel, and that was helping, but I still had to enter all this stuff by hand. So I thought, well, let me take a minute and write some code so we can just codify what we've got. So as we go now, it'll be easier to do. So I made a table with all the different parameters. As you can see, it's split up into three sections. There's the first part, which tells you the unit type and the number of lights. The middle part, which tells you all the attributes, and the last part, which gives you the field information. So I created a little bit of code here, and it splits those into their three distinct pieces, and then loops through and grabs all the labor. I put the labor in a table so I could change it if it updates in the future. And then it writes all that data to the table automatically. So now, after I've entered the sales unit numbers, or after I get them out of Revit and put them into the table, I can run this code and it will fill in this table for me with all of the fab, assembly, packaging, and installation hours for each of these unit types. So that's my update this week. Make it a lot easier for me, and took me a couple hours, maybe an hour and a half to write the code, but it's going to save me, probably spent 10 hours on this thing already. So definitely going to pay off as we move forward. All right. Thanks a lot.